Welcome back. So if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Mide, and here I talk about locks, beauty and self-development. Okay, so in today's topic I'm going to be talking about how you can keep your locks looking and smelling delicious, yummy, tantalizing. So locks may appear hippie and stylish, but they are not a set and forget hairstyle. Okay, they are not no maintenance hairstyle, they are low maintenance hairstyle. It will smell bad if you skip shampooing, if you skip your wash day. Another reason why it may smell bad is if your hair stayed damp for a bit too long. If you live in a cold region, you are likely to be experiencing this. And if your hair is thick, it is long and full, you may also have been experiencing this. However, if you dry your hair the right way, it is likely to stop. The proper way that you should be washing your locks is for you to use clarifying shampoo, of course, that is not going to leave residue in your locks. Then lather it and let it stay for a bit, okay, before you run your water through it. If you have a shower, stay under the shower head and let the water run through your locks for quite a while. If you scoop water, scoop a lot of water into the locks and let it wash off the shampoo or the conditioner or whatsoever it is that you must have added to it. Okay, to dry it, use your towel, your cotton shirt, or whatever it is that you use to dry the hair, to squeeze the water out of the hair. Okay, and then if you live in a cold region, a place where your hair cloth does not get dry in time, you might want to use hair dryer. Like, position it a bit far from your hair. Do not take it close so that your lock is not affected by the heat coming from the dryer. Blow dry your locks with this and ensure that your locks are properly dried at the end of the day. All right, without practice, you're going to be surprised at what happened. One of the things that you are likely to be doing wrong is for you to moisturize your hair and then cover it up without allowing it to hair dry, or just leave it for breeze to blow through it. Okay, so you don't cover wet hair. You don't. To a whole lot of people, smelling could mean different things. It could be as a result of different things. It is not likely to be the same for everybody. Do you get? It could be as a result of dirt. Like, dirt could then come up if you have build-up in your locks, and build-up is caused by using inappropriate product into your hair. Like, you don't use cream, you use oil, and you use lightweight oil. Okay, and sometimes whatever oil that is suitable for your locks, for your scalp I mean, is what you should use, not hair cream. The kind of hair cream that you use on your loose natural is not appropriate for your locks. You don't want to be using conditioner, thick conditioner that is appropriate for loose natural on your locks. All these kind of cause residue to settle into your hair, onto your scalp, and at the long run, after it must have attracted dust here and there, then it kind of forms its own colony on your scalp. It begins to smell its own unique smell, which is unpleasant to us. Okay, so that is what build-up does. It forms dirt eventually. This is what causes your locks to smell. At the end of the day, it does not only make your lock to smell, it also makes your lock to look dull. Its natural luster would not come out if it is covered with residue, dirt. as the case may be. All right, smelling locks could also be as a result of infection. Okay, and infection could be that probably you styled your locks too tightly and then you keep your locks styled for so long. Initially, when you style your lock, you're likely to have pulled one or two strands, especially at the edges. And when that happens, believe me sincerely, it's going to cause like a kind of skin irritation that might later be infected and cause your locks, your head, your scalp to smell. Then another possible way that your locks may smell is because of dampness. Like I said earlier on, if you don't dry your locks properly, if you don't dry your scalp properly after washing, the dampness is likely to cause your locks to start smelling. How then do you make sure your lock does not smell bad? It does not smell irritating to the next person, to you, or even to yourself, because of course the odor, the smell will most likely come to you as well. And believe me sincerely, you might not even get to know on time that this is coming from you. All right, so to get rid or to make sure that you avoid smelling locks, smelling hair, smelling scalp, number one is your scalp. You need to pay attention to your scalp. Okay, if you have itchy or flaky scalp, you will need to deal with it first by using hair products that contains peppermint oil, coconut oil, tea tree oil, and co. It's advisable for you to wash your hair with apple cider vinegar once in a while. This ensures crystal clear scalp, all right, and it's kind of neutralize all the odor that might have built up in your locks and leaving your locks to look clean and bright. Aside from the fact that it is great for itchy scalp, you might also want to incorporate lemon and water into your wash routine by using it on your scalp before you shampoo. Okay, this is perfect for fresh smell. Another possible way for you to avoid smelling lock and scalp is for you to use yummy products on your hair. Like your shampoo should have a good fragrance, okay, and if you have a particular one that is suitable for your locks and you are not likely going to change or transit another product, what you could do is for you to add essential oil to it. There are so many essential oil in the market. Just choose the scent that is going to work well for you, that suits your personality, that you are going to be known for. All right, at the end of the day, there's going to be a drastic change in the way your hair and your locks smells. Okay, number 3 is that if your schedule is crazy, you might want to try dry shampoo. It may be for you, it may work for you just before your next wash. Then another way for you to incorporate nice smell into your locks is for you to use regular perfume. Sometimes I use it on my head wrap, I use it on my scarf and cap, whatever I'm going to use to cover my locks. And sometimes you might spray it just above your hair and let it settle on your locks. That also works great, but you need to practice it and see in order for you to testify. Okay, so keep your crown looking nice and smelling good. So thank you guys for tuning in once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.